So we've got a surds question here, and it's going to be a bit of foil to do a load of multiplying out. But again, the things that stand out from here, we've got a root 50, root 8, and the odd thing about this one is the root 18 there, because normally what you expect to find is you write your surds in its simplest form, but I think this has been written to try and get around the fact that you could technically just whack this into your calculator and get an answer. So this is forcing you into actually doing the manipulation with the surds. Now, I'm old school, so I'm going to go for first of all, the root 50, which is root 25, root 2, so that's 5 root 2. Like I said, old school, you could whack that into a calculator and come up with the same thing. There's no need to show this. Root 8, that's going to be 2 root 2. So I'm going to work with those bits first, and we're going to try and somehow turn it into root 18. So let's see what's going to happen. So we've got 7, let's have a look, 7 plus 2 lots of root 50. So root 50 is 5 root 2, so 2 lots will be 10 root 2. So there's our first bracket. And then we've got 5 minus the root 8, which is the 2 root 2. So let's do some multiplying out. So we've got 35 from there. Let's go minus 14 root 2 plus 50 root 2. And the last bit is there. Now we've got 10 times the 2, so that's 20. And then also I've got root 2 times by root 2. Root 2 times by root 2. So root 2 is just going to be 2. So we've got that there. So what have I got? 35 minus the 40, so that's minus 5. And I've got these two bits here, so that's going to be plus 36 root 2. And so now our next job is to, see we've got root 18 there, and we've currently got this in terms of root 2, so we've got to create that root 18. And I need to get to root 18. And what I'm going to do is say, well, I've already got the root 2 there. So let's do that. So root 18 is root 9 times by root 2. And that thing there is 3. So somehow I need to make kind of 3 lots of root 2. So what I'm going to do is pull a factor of 3 out of the 36. So if I do that, this thing here is 3. It's come out at 36. So I'm going to need 12 there. I'm going to work in backwards here. So what we end up with is that. So we can see that bit there, let's just double check. 12 times by root 9, 12 times root 9, root 9 is 3, 12 times 3 is 36, that's all okay. And then what have I got here? Yep, that bit there is the root 18. So that's now all okay, so minus 5 plus 12 root 18. So it was just a little bit of kind of fiddling around to be able to create the root 18 that was asked for in the question. So it says values of A and B. A was minus 5, B was 12. Sorted.